Hey there everyone, this is Niraj and welcome back to the channel. If you people are new over here, subscribe to the channel because I share everything about web development. So in this video, we are going to see how we can implement Redux with Next.js or any other framework. And I am sure that after watching this video, you will not going to need another video on Redux. So, but sometime learning can be boring, so I am made it in an easy way. In this video, we are not only going to learn Redux, but also we are going to build this awesome e-commerce part, a cart app. So we are going to list all the product with all category as you can see on the website. And if you might be wondering how we are going to get all these data, so don't worry, these are all fake JSON data and I will provide you with that. So let me just show you a magic. If I click here, what do you think what will happen? Yep, this product has been added to the cart successfully, and as soon as I clicked here, it updated to the store everywhere. So this is the power of Redux. Let me add 2-3 more. Yep, as you can see, this product are already in a cart, so that's why this is showing remove from cart, and the total number of product added to the cart will be displayed here. Let me remove one, and you will see as soon as you clicked here, the button text changed and the length also decreased. Let me go to the cart page, and inside this cart page you will see this good looking cart page, and from here we are going to display all the product. We are also going to display the total cost. You can also remove a product from here, and product added to cart can be viewed from here because there are no product, right? So how is it? Isn't it mind-blowing? I know you guys are so excited, just like me. So let's start this project. Let me go to next.js website. So the framework in this project we are going to use is this Next.js, and two more packages we need, that is React.js. Let me Redux, okay, Redux and React Redux. First of all, let me come to this Redux, and as you can see, a JavaScript library for predictable and maintainable global state management. Let me get started. And as you can see, you can use Redux together with React or any other Vue library. Yep, it is tiny, 2 kilobyte, including dependencies. Yeah. So we are going to need Redux/toolkit. Is our official recommended approach for writing Redux logic. It wraps around the Redux core and contains packages and functions that we think are essential for building a Redux app. So we are just going to need this Redux/toolkit. Yep, we are not going to use Redux core because we have more advanced package in this market provided by Redux, that is Redux/toolkit. And let me come to this React and Redux npm. So React and Redux npm is nothing but it behaves as a bridge that will connect React with Redux. So React Redux is nothing, just think as a bridge. Alright, so let me just open a folder. Yeah, and I will just open VS Code here. So as you can see, I'm here VS Code. Let me come to this Next.js website and just click here and copy this command. After copying this command, just write here and click enter. So it just help us to create Next.js app. What is my project name? Yep, dot. Yeah, definitely Islam. Yep. Tailwind with CSS. Yeah, no. we are going to use app directory, app router, yep, why not, alias, yes, and within a second it will just create our website. Okay, so as you can see, it shows success, and what it says, npm notice the best version available. Okay, so I'll just update my npm, no worry. So yep, so it is now updating. Let me just come to, yep, redux/toolkit, copy this command and just go to your VS Code and just enter this. It will install this package name in our application, and I also need React hyphen Redux. So it will just install. Let us come to package.json and check if everything is installed properly. So inside dependencies, Redux/toolkit and React Redux. Yep. So it is now installed successfully. Let's just run npm run dev and check if everything is working perfectly fine. Let me just go to this URL localhost, and I want to go with Chrome. Yeah. So as you can see, this next.js website. So, and yeah, so in this app, we are not going to write all these Tailwind CSS and HTML structure, because I'm here to explain logical, right? I explain about Redux, not about Tailwind or Next.js. So let's just come to this repo, Redux hyphen XJS 14 boilerplate. I will give this URL in the description box below. Just click from here, or else you can also copy from this URL and go to this app. After going this app, just go to page.tsx and click here copy raw file, and it will just copy, and go to inside app, go to page.tsx and just cut it and paste. Okay, again go to this cart page and inside page.tsx just click copy and just write here the cart, inside cart file page.tsx. Okay, so let me just come to in this components, and inside component you will find headers.tsx and just copy from here. After copying this, come to this outside directory and write components. Inside components write header or navbar. I will just go with header, and make sure you are writing this tsx component, because we are using Tailwind, because we are using TypeScript in this project. And again, just one more, just come to this data folder and click copy raw. These all are the, okay, let me just paste it here. Inside data, just write products.json and paste it here. And let me tell you, there are 3 types of category in this project. The first one is AC, and the second one is mobile, the third one is laptop. Inside AC, we have 10 different devices of type AC. Yep. And inside this, we have all these category. So let's just come to our development app, and if you are seeing this, great, our app is working perfectly fine. Let's just come to global.css and just delete all these except these 3 lines. And yeah, As you can see, this is now looking great. Okay, so I will just fix this image. This is just showing like that because here we have image.png and there is no such file image.png. So we'll fix that, no worry. Right, so I'm here again on Redux website and just I will just go to Redux slash toolkit and npm, and you will just have to land on this page. Okay, so before going to Redux, say there are some terms that we must know before writing code in Redux. So the first one is configure store. So configure store is nothing but it is just a tool, or let's just say a function or a class. Configure store is nothing but it just wrap our create store so that we can use slice reducers and with whatever middleware we supply includes Redux Thunk by default. Okay, so you don't need to know about Redux Thunk because it is a old technology. The second one is create reducer. Create reducer is nothing but lets you supply your lookup table of action types of case reducer functions. So these are nothing but to change the state of a store. For example, when I'm clicking on this button, it just call a function or a reducer, and by the help of reducer it just add or remove this product from the store. And the next one is create action. So it is nothing but action, so there is nothing to know about this. And create slice, so it is just combination of create reducer plus create slice. And as you can see, accept an object of reducer functions, a slice name and initial state value. And there is nothing much interesting, so let's just jump to our coding part. So let's just make a folder name store. I would prefer app because app directory already exists. So I will just say store.ts, but we have not our reducers, right? So I'll say features and just to do slice. Okay, let me just add card slice.ts. Alright, so let's just create our slices. So I'll say create slice. Okay, so const, let me just close cap lock and const card slice equal create slice, and the name should be card and just accept initial state, and I will just write initial state as card and empty, and it will just need reducers. Inside reducers you can just write as much function as you want. So I'll just show you a demo, add to card, and it will just accept two parameters state and action. And inside this if state and action you can just write anything you want, anything you want that will change the state. And I must want to export default car slice dot or reducer, yeah. And I also need to export const equal car slice dot actions, and inside actions you will see this function. So let's just come to this store page. Inside store page I just need to add configure store, and export const store called the configure store, and just it will just take a reducer as card, and I want to just import it from there. Import from, we just add card slice or card reducer from at the rate, and inside features and card slice. Okay, card reducer, and our story is almost complete. So we have successfully created our store and with card slice and with reducers, but we need to make sure that this project is aware about this store. So just come to this layout.tsx, and if you have used this next.js, you must know that layout.tsx is the main file. From here, every page just go inside the children and render into this browser. So let me just add the store, and I'll just say, hey, I want a provider. Inside provider, I just want to give it the store of access of the store store inside this provider. I just pass children. Okay, let me save it. And as soon as I save it, you will see one error. Let me come to, unhandled and runtime error. This function is not supported in React server components. Please only use this export in a client component. So you must know that by using this use client, we want to make this component as client component, but we are also attempting to export metadata from a component marked with use client, which is disallowed. Either remove the export or the use client directive. Read more at this website. Okay, so I just want you to show that we just can't use like this, right? So I want to create a wrapper that will wrap this store wrapper.tsx and rfc, and I just want to return a, let me come to layout.tsx and just copy it from here and paste it here. Just cut it down here and cut it from here, paste it here. So we just need these children, the awareness of these children and the types. So I will just come here and just write, hey, I want wrapper, and inside wrapper I just pass these children, and it will just show me this error type. Children React node has no properties in common with intrinsic attributes. Okay, so let's just come here, and inside children we have to specify that this children is of type React and React node. And after writing this, you will see all the errors are gone. But what is now? So we just forgot to remove this line, and as soon as I save it, you will see, okay, we also want to make this a client component, right? This client. So this is how development work. That's why I didn't cut out all these problems and errors. So after writing that line, you can see all the errors are now gone, and just by making this component, we have still this layout.tsx, a server component, and just this part as a client component. So our next task is to display all the product like this in here, in this development page. Let me just cut this out. And okay, so the first one, this is a card page, we don't need it yet. Okay, so I just want to import all the products from where? From inside data and product.json. Inside this section, I want to just copy this, and inside this, okay, so we want to render it here, right? So I will say product.ac dot, the first ones will be mobile, right? Product.mobile dot map. I think I should named it as mobiles. Yeah, but this is okay. We are here to learn Redux, right? Not to write grammar. So let me just add key here because it will show us a key error, right? And instead of writing E, I want to write with each product or with each mobile. Okay, mobile dot ID. And by writing this, you will see 10 different products. And let's just make this image look beautiful. So let's write mobile dot image, and you will see this iPhone. Okay, so here we just need to specify the company name. Sorry for the disturbance. Let me just. So the second one is mobile dot title. Actually, I love teaching, right? I love teaching, right? Like this. Okay, the first one is mobile dot company. Yep. By talking with you guys, I feel like I'm talking to all my friends. So I just forgot. Don't take me wrong. So the company. Okay, this is not a company, right? This is mobile. Mobile dot price. And here mobile dot weight. Yep. And the dimensions will be mobile dot dimension dot, the first one is length, right? So I just write mobile dot dimensions dot width, and the last one is mobile dot dimensions dot height. Okay, so when I save it, you will see all this product with different category and with different informations is displayed here. So let me just quickly add for, yep, for two another category as well. Let me just wrap it and paste it twice. And instead of explore mobiles, I will write explore ACs. And instead of mobile, AC. And yep, you are right. By cutting this mobile, I will just write AC. Okay, so the third one is, I guess it's, yep, it's laptop. Laptops. So product dot, let me just select all these and product dot laptop dot map. Okay, so as you can see, these three different categories: explore mobiles, explore ACs, explore laptops. Okay, so yep, we have done basic work, but we have still not done it with this header yet. Let me just come to this project, and inside wrapper let's just add header, and by writing this you will see this header. Let me just go to this header and you will see I've already implemented this link so that our page won't reload when the location changed. Okay, so let us now just go to this cart page, and inside cart page we have this. Yeah, this is not good, I know. I want to go to just cart page. Inside cart page, let us, okay, so let us leave it like this. We will come to this after doing an important task. So I just, this is TypeScript, right? So we must identify and write types. So I'll just write utils, or we can just write types, whatever we want. Inside utils, I'll write types.ts. Okay, so it is comma. I wanted to write dot. Let me quickly update it and save it. So let us write interface and with product, and inside data, let me just copy this product so that I don't forget about all the product types. Let me just quickly select all this comma and delete this. The first one is of type, yeah, string. The second one is of type or number. The fourth one is of type a string and a number. Inside this object, the first one, the second one, and the third one is all of type number. Okay, wait, in number, company, in string, and this image is string. Okay, a what string, and let me just delete this comma. All right, so inside this, yep, actually this is not necessary, but it is a good practice to write the types. Okay, so I just want to select all these three, and inside this I want to write the product. Yep, and inside product, let me just export it so that I can use in another project. Okay, product. Yeah, and so let me just come to features, and inside features let us write the function. You can also do this like this, hello world, and you can call this function by writing here. Yeah, you can also do this like this, but I want to prefer writing here state and action. So I just want to write state.cart equal just state.cart all the previous card values, and I want to concatenate with action.payload. And inside action.payload, we are just going to pass all the product and what is now the error, and it will saying type any is not assignable to type neighbor. Okay, so the one temporary hack might be you can use any, but you are here on my channel, so I want to provide this as a permanent solution. Just come here and just try it. Export interface products, and inside products just write cart as product, and come here and write as products. Okay, so cart never is to type products may be a mistake because neither type sufficiently overlaps with the other. If this was intentional, convert the expression to one on first types the cart. Okay, so actually it was a silly mistake because when I write products, I'm in the array of products. So, but this product is of an object, so it is not an array. So let me just make it an array, and we write this array bracket. You will see all the errors are now gone, and inside this all the errors are now gone. So let us just use this add to cart function and let us check if everything is working perfectly. So we just need to const handle button click. All right, handle button clicked. I think the button spelling was is wrong. Okay, so handle button click, and I just want to pass the product here inside this product of type product, and inside this add to cart button, let me just come and write on click handle button click and pass this mobile. The second one is AC, and the third one is laptop. Okay, I just want to pass this product. Now let us console it and see if everything is working perfectly. So let me just come to console, and inside console let me just try it. Let me just click on this button, and when I click on this button you will see the equivalent product will be shown here. Okay, so this warning, this warning is nothing. Just come here inside layer.txx and just write this suppress iteration warning, and if you click refresh, as you can see this error is now gone. Okay, so I just don't want to console it here, right? I want to add it to the cart. So let me just make a function using use dispatch. Yep, as you can see, use dispatch. Now we are using React and Redux because we want to connect our React app with Redux, right? So this is working as a bridge. So inside this, I just want to dispatch this add to cart, this function and product. Now understand this product. Okay, when I click here save, and let me just go to inside header and just write all these number of cart data, because this is only way we can see if the cart is working perfectly fine. This selector, and inside is selector root. Inside root I will just write root dot state dot state, and this is TypeScript, so we must need to specify this state type. So let us come to this type and write explore interface root state. Inside root state just write inside cart and then products. Okay, so inside state I'll write root state. No, we don't want to import it from here. Want to import it from this header. Okay. So root state dot cart dot cart. Yep. So when I click refresh here and when I console it here, you will see the cart is now empty array because there is nothing inside our cat, right? Because the initial state is an empty array. Okay, so after adding this, we also want to update this number, right? So cart dot length. Okay, so what is the error? Use selector and state inside this type. I think I just wrote it wrong. Yep. So now this is great. Actually, the cart state is now empty. So cart length is empty. So when I click here, you will see this number will update. Yeah, as you can see, the number is updating successfully because this product has been added to the cart. Okay, let me just refresh it. But there is one problem. When we see at the original website, when I click here, it just change the button to remove from cart. So we just need to toggle it. So I just want to access this cart, all the cart here, and let me just import root state from types and use selector from React and Redux. Okay, so I want so to toggle this, we want to toggle this. Okay, if the product is already in the cart, we want to remove it. Else is the product, right? So this is the simple algorithm or logic, whatever you say. So first of all, we must find that if the product is already in the cart. So if you go inside the data and inside product.json, you will see everyone has their unique ID. So we can know by using this ID. So I'll write is product already in the cart, and we just want to find with product has the type is product dot id equal. Alright, so let us change this because we are accepting this product parameter here too. So let's write cart field. Okay, product dot id, and let us first console it. Here is product already in cart, or let's just write if else is product already in cart, or we can also use ternary operator else if product already in a cart, else remove the head, else hit the product. So I'll say console.log, yeah, and inside this, no. So when I reload it and when I click on insert to cart, you will see this product is not in a cart, and it will just let me also add this product to the cart. Okay, so if the product is already in the cart, I just want to dispatch it to cart and say, hey, this product is not in the cart yet. Add to cart this product, and when I hit reload, you will see add to cart. This product is already in the cart. No, and when I click here, you will see yeah, because after doing this no, this cart, this product has been added to the cart, and when I clicked in the next time, the second time, it shows yep, because the product has been added to the cart successfully. And when the product is already in the cart, I just want to remove from cart. Okay, and it's data answer. Let me just okay. So how we can remove this product from cart? So there is not a big algorithm. We just need to send the product ID which is already in the cart, send the exists send already exist product, and after sending this we just want to add filter. So first of all we just need to access id from action.payload because we will send the id, not the entirely product, so we can filter this id easily. And I will write state.cart equal state.cart.filter. I want to filter that e.id not equal to this sent id. And okay, so after writing this, let me just export this function as well, remove from cart, and we just come to your page.tsx. And if this is already in the cart, if this is already in the cart, I just want to dispatch as remove from cart and send the id product.id. Okay, so when I hit reload and when I click add to cart, you will see this product has been added to cart. When I click the second time, you will see the product has been removed from cart. So our job is now almost completed, but we just need to write some function so that our button will display to cart or remove from cart accordingly. So cart dot find inside cart and product as product. Okay, so just let us write just one. If product.id equal to is this mobile? Yeah, this is mobile.id. If this is true, we are just using here ternary operator. If this is true, just write remove from cart. And if this is false, we are going to write add to cart. Okay, let me write all these by copying from here right here, and this is actually AC right here, paste it here, and this is laptop. Okay, so our job is now almost complete. So if I click here, will it change to remove from cart? Let us check it. Yes, it just changed the button to remove from cart. And when I click again, it just changed to add to cart. And our next task is to show all these added product inside this cart page and just display this total cost. So now we have completed all this application. Let me just reload it. We have now completed this application. So let us just make this cart page so that all these product will be displayed here. Let me come to cart, inside cart page.tsx. Yeah, and I want to access cart in here. Use selector. Inside use selector, I want to write state of type root state, and inside root state I'll just write state.cart.cart. Okay, so now we have successfully have access of all this cart. Okay, so now we have the access of all these cart products. So let us map this, and I will say cart dot map with cart product. Let me just write this in bracket and product, and I will write key as cart product dot id, and inside this I will add a small bracket, and when I do this you will see we are seeing this product 4 times because there are 4 products, right? So just write cart product dot image, and the first one is cart product dot company, and the second one is cart product dot name actually, and the dimensions will be cart product dot dimension dot height, and the next one is dot width and length. Yep. So the company will be cart product dot company, and instead of composition I will write, let us check what is in there. So I will add this card, and you will see this composition. Okay, so instead of composition I will just write its weight, card product dot weight. Yep. And instead this I will write card product dot price. Okay, so let us implement a function. When we click here remove, it will just remove this product. So where is this remove button? When I click here I want to remove this completely. On click equal, remove the handle product removal, and I will just pass this card product dot card product, and let me just write a function, and it will accept this product as product, And inside this product, let me just dispatch. Let us write dispatch equal use dispatch. Okay, dispatch remove from cart, and inside remove from cart I just pass product.id. And when I save it, and when I edit again, let's go to this product, and when I click remove, you will see the first product is removed and the second one is also removed. And now let us implement the functionality so that it will show me all the cost here and this dollar. Okay, and you can see all these product price is displaying here. Let me just remove it, and we'll see as soon as I click remove, it will update here and remove this too. So $0 because there is no item added to the cart, right? So my job finished here. But as an educator, I want to give as much as I can to the learners. So this is actually the bonus time. Let us host this application to Barcel too. So first of all, come here and you need to create a repo of this application. So just come to this commit page. But before committing this, let us check if everything is working perfectly. I will just write a command npm from build to check if everything is working perfectly. So it will just create an optimized production build. Okay, compiled successfully, and these are warnings. So this is nothing but the img warning. Let me just clear this and come to this source control and just write redux plus react next.js repo initialize and commit this. And let me just write this, make this repo. Okay, so after making this a repo, I just want to open on GitHub and let us check if everything is working perfectly. Yeah, let me just come to Chrome and open this. So our repo has been created and all the code was pushed. So I'm here on barcel.com. So let us add new inside project, and yeah, just now let us import this, and it will just automatically detect that this is made on next.js and just click deploy. So it will take some time depending on the size of the application. So I will come back once it is completed. Okay, so as you can see, our product has been built successfully. Let me just open this product, and as you can see, Redux Next.js crash course 2.barcel.app. And let us check if everything working perfectly. When I click here, it will just add to cart and change the button text. And let us go to this page, cart page, and you will see all the total cost. And if I click remove, it will just remove this product as well. Okay, so create next tab. Okay, I think we forgot to add title, but no worry, you can just go here inside layout.tsx and you can just add title here inside the script next tab. So this is for now, guys. I hope you find this video really helpful, and if you like this video, just hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.